How's it, everybody? Okay, so this video is a little different. For one, we're catching fish in it. I thought I'd just show you guys that we do have the ability to actually catch fish, and so that's why this one's not with me starting in my regular spot at home. It's an old video from earlier in June where the shad were on the bite, and we just had a family outing. You'll see even the wives were catching shad, and it was just all in the name of fun, man. Enjoy the video. Yeah, in this one you'll see we're using 10-foot rods with spoon and light tackle, just enjoying the thrill of catching these shad. Please remember to hit the like button if you like this video. It does encourage me to make more, and knowing that there is somebody watching them and enjoying them. Maybe you're sitting in your office and you can't get to the sea and to fish, or for whatever the reason is. So yeah, hit the like button and hit the notification one if you want to see more videos. Thanks.
Train. Don't lose it now, it's the first one.
On! Yes, man. Tight lines. Nice.
But you have to make it count.
Woo, this is a monster. This is a good size. Oh, let me to the rock. Oh no!
And he's lost a good one.
On.
Another nice looking
Same
one.
one.
Same one.
Same one.
Hey? Nice there. There.
Whoa, Paulo! Well, like a monster. Feel it! Yes! Guaranteed. Now, this is my missus that I always talk about, giving me the curfews. Listen to that excitement, guys. Listen to that. Almost kissing the fish. And then she goes on to catch some shad after this. Double hook. The Morelia's on the ball, yeah? Well done, Kels. Husband and wife duo, yeah? Double up. Great fun. As I said, we had awesome fun. Well, thanks for watching, and check out my next episode on my quest to catch Garrick and Shad and Bream. Let's see if I get one.